Hi, my name is Matt. I'm going to explain what SAML is and what it does and what are the advantages and disadvantages of it. SAML stands for Security Assertion Markup Language. Its primary role is in online security, is that it enables you to access multiple web applications using one set of login credentials. So pretty much instead of for me, for example, I work for a corporation and I have to use multiple usernames and passwords to log into different databases within our systems securely, which can be kind of a pain because we have to make sure that we can remember all of our passwords and usernames to access those databases, applications, and websites. What SAML does is kind of like a one and done. So once you're able to authenticate yourself, you are able to get access to all the applications that you need. For example, it's kind of like when you are boarding an airplane and the flight attendant asked for your ticket and also your valid government ID. What the government ID is kind of like an SAML. Uh, it was a process for you to get it to be authenticated by your state or by the US government. So there was a process for that verification. So that picture ID is kind of like your SAML. It's like higher access or higher verification level. And what SAML does is kind of like your ID or passport. It allows you to verify yourself through higher degree so that you can get access to all those applications. One of the disadvantages that I found was that there wasn't many. I guess since it was a here, let me see if I can find it again. So one of the disadvantages is that SAML uses a server backend. So there may be some kind of security issues when using SAML with SPAs and mobile apps. So the compatibility may be an issue for some of those applications. Other than that, it is starting to be used widely throughout many corporations and other businesses to help number one with employee logins. That will also help with the IT help desk so they don't have to reset so many passwords and people forget, and also help with customers. They have to use remember less passwords, less usernames, in order to access information that they're trying to get from the company. So overall, it is a more secure way to access information. It does require a little bit more in-depth research and also authentication from you at the beginning, but after that, after you are able to pass, you are able to get access to a lot more things under one sign-in and a one and done. Thank you.